Open website renderforestsites.com. Log in with your Google account or create a new account linked to your business email. Click Projects icon and then select Websites. Click Create and then Generate in seconds. Select Business Category. Give a business name and brief business description. Select a design style. Wait for a moment while AI creates your design. Website template is ready. Now it's time to fill it with content. For this particular site, I need 6 images of flower bouquets and some basic information about the business. To simplify work, I use Google Gemini to help me with copywriting. I will leave my prompt in the description. Now let's fill a hero section of the site. Time to write a nice About Us section with the help of AI. Continue to Our Mission section. Write some customer testimonials. Update contact information. Time to add our proposition. Scroll to the top and click the plus sign to add a component. Pricing template doesn't really work well for this site, so let's try a portfolio. This makes 6 cards with title, description, and a photo. Let's fill them with information about our bouquets. This site offers few ways to insert a picture. Upload your own one, generate with AI, or select a free image from stock. Let's move to the frequently asked questions. There is a ready-to-use template. Insert it and fill with valuable information. I use AI Advises. Next component is a delivery information. Repeat the same process. Add a component and update information with the help of Gemini. Website is ready. Scroll back and forth to check if everything is okay. Click Publish. Select your free domain name. While waiting for publication, let's see how to add a personal domain. You need at least light plan to add one own domain and remove a banner. Now your site is ready. See how it looks and if information is correct. That's all. In 5 minutes, we built a complete website with AI.